Noiz AI PDF Summarizer just dropped. And in this video, I'm going to give you the 7 crucial things you need to know before using it. Whether you're looking to save time or supercharge your document review process, this AI could change the game for you. Stick around till the end, because I'll reveal something special about the free trial and why this might just be the best AI PDF summarizer out there. Let's dive in. First off, Noiz AI PDF Summarizer isn't just another PDF tool. This AI software uses advanced natural language processing to quickly extract key insights and summarize large PDF documents, cutting hours of manual reading into minutes. Whether you're handling reports, research papers, or business documents, Noiz AI's ability to highlight the most crucial points in seconds is a major win. One of the most exciting things about Noiz AI PDF Summarizer is its simplicity. You don't need to be tech savvy to get started. You simply upload your PDF, and the AI instantly begins analyzing it. The interface is clean, intuitive, and designed to get results quickly. It's all about making your workflow faster and more efficient without getting bogged down by a steep learning curve. Now, while most PDF summarizers out there give you just a quick bullet point summary, Noiz AI goes deeper. It doesn't just skim the surface, it highlights relevant sections, gives you key takeaways, and even offers a brief analysis, all while preserving the core ideas of the document. This is particularly useful for business professionals or students who need more than just a quick overview. They need a deeper understanding without the hassle of reading everything in full. Another key feature you'll want to know about is the customization. Noiz AI allows you to set the level of summarization. You can choose from a brief summary, a detailed one, or something in between, depending on your needs. This flexibility ensures you're getting exactly what you want from your documents. If you're wondering about accuracy, rest assured that Noiz AI's machine learning algorithms have been trained on thousands of documents to ensure reliable results. While it's still AI, it handles complex documents with incredible precision, and the more you use it, the better it gets. For those of you who like to test before you commit, Noiz AI offers a completely free trial. That's right, no commitments, no hidden charges, just access to a tool that can help streamline your document workflow. You can try it out from the link in the description below and see for yourself if this software meets your needs. When it comes to AI PDF summarization, Noiz AI is among the top contenders on the market today. It's powerful, efficient, and designed with real-world use cases in mind. But is it perfect? Well, as with any AI software, it might not capture every nuance of a document. However, it's consistently improving, and with its ability to learn and adapt, it's likely to become more and more accurate with time. Now, after testing thousands of AI tools over the years, I can confidently say Noiz AI PDF Summarizer is one of the best out there. So if you're looking for a tool to save you hours, make your workflow more efficient, and give you a deeper understanding of your documents in a fraction of the time, give it a shot. Don't forget to check the description for my recommended AI software tools, all of which you can try for free. After testing hundreds of options myself, you won't regret it. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.